Today's gonna be mad. Today's gonna be absolutely mad. We're going to Furka Pass. You guys know. I think most people know Furka Pass. Some of the craziest roads. But not many people know on Furka Pass, of course, there's some hidden bunkers. So let's go find them. Look at the size of that mountain. You can't see it because it's covered in cloud, but it is a beast, mate. Oh my God. Wow, bruv. Wow. What a drive, mate. We gotta be a little bit careful when we get to bits where there's more snow, because it will be very slippery. Look at that, cuz. What? Everyone comes up here for the pass and people don't realize right next to them are bunkers, bro. We have to find them. That's the tricky thing. They blend in with the surroundings. Oi. Move over there, mate. Brother. It's a bit narrow in some of these pass spots. Wow, look at the road down there. You're welcome. Give me a wave. Pounce. This feels so surreal. I've seen and had Furka Pass on my wish list forever. I think we got to make our way down here. Looks like a normal house, huh? Let's go check it out. To the unsuspecting eye, it is just yet another farmhouse. Oh my goodness. This is it. This is one of them. Fake painted windows. Wow, bruv. Wow. You could only imagine the amount of firepower that they're able just to pull out of these doors. It must be crazy. This all guards the entrance to Italy. So if the Italians were to come through the Alps. Wow, look at that. I just spotted a rock. That is not a rock. Let's go have a look. This sort of stuff is just hiding in plain sight. The amount of bunkers and fortifications here, it's like Vietnam, and how Vietnam used tunnel warfare during their fights with the French and the US. Oh my goodness. But then the Swiss have taken it to the next level with modern firepower. Look at the size of this thing, cuz. That's wild, mate. Oh my God. What's hiding in there? Can you guys see? Dude, the size of this is insane. Wow. So cool. You wouldn't expect it, would you? Say hello to my little friend. There's another one over there. Right there. You see that one? This is only what I can just see. Imagine the stuff I cannot see. Up there, there's something else. There's a bigger one that I'm going to take you to. You guys have already seen it from the intro. But man. So it's not just like this is just here itself. This would have been connected, I'm sure, to that. There would be a full underground network. Incredible, man. I see you. You ain't catching me by surprise. So instead of coming up this road like we did up here, you take this little side track. The more mud we can avoid, the better. Look at this, cuz. Everyone knows Furka Pass is right there. 30-second drive off Furka Pass. And boom. Unbelievable, don't you reckon? This one's more... This is what you imagine. This is what you imagine when people talk about forts and fortifications. Heavily fortified positions. This is what you imagine, man. This is a walking track. I saw a little red line. So it's not like this is restricted. This is a part of a walking track area. You can only imagine how far these go. These would go all through this mountain. Is that granite? Huge granite slabs. Wow. This thing is a beast, mate. Look at that, guys. That's the road that I came up all the way up through here, through this valley. Wow. It's amazing how well hidden these are. Just with that mesh. On most of these passes and the choke points where the roads come in between the mountains, they filled some of the mountains with dynamite. In case of an invading army, they can blow up the mountain range and cause a controlled landslide. And people will be blocked off. They won't be able to come through. Not only in mountain ranges they did that, they also did that with bridges. Critical bridges and supply routes that during times of no war, they work very well because people can come in and out of the country. But a lot of the bridges in Switzerland that go to Germany, the bridges that go across or connect Italy to here, are laced with dynamite and TNT. Now they say that they've decommissioned them, they've taken them away, but some people still say that there is still some pretty heavy charges there. Quite interesting.